With the name of Allah, who had means to the sky without any pillars. It is my great prestige and honor that they give me an opportunity to speak and to express my thoughts, feelings and emotions. Good morning to the Excellency, respected teachers, my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Through my speech, I would like to tell you all about the value of education and its contribution in our lives. Education is the tool which help us all in removing our doubts and fears about all the challenges and happiness in our lives. It is the tools which keep us happy and peaceful, as well as makes us better socialized human beings in our lives. Our teachers are like parents for us, who help us all in getting good quality education from the institution. They try their best to make us learn everything and shape for the future challenges. Our teachers come in our lives to remove all the darkness, to remove all the fears, to remove all the doubts, and help us to find a beautiful career in this big world. Education is not about to gain only knowledge, learning the way to tackle challenges, learning the way to be happy, learning the way to live in society, learning the way to care elders and elders. My dear friends, education is like a healthy food which nourishes both spiritually and ethically. It makes us strong spiritually and gives us a lot of confidence by making our personality and giving us knowledge food. Education is only way to remove bad habits, poverty, inequality, gender discrimination and so many social issues. At last, I will wind up my speech with some quotation. The great personality says about education, the best weapon is to sit down and talk. Nelson Mandela says, education is not the learning of fact but the training of mind to think. Albert Einstein, the root of education is bitter but the fruit is sweet. I will start out. Thank you.